Are you looking for the best electric spin scrubber? In this video we are looking 5 best electric spin scrubber. In this review, we'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. TUYU Electric Spin Scrubber. Full-body IPX7 waterproof bathroom scrubber with power LCD display, adjustable extension handle, cordless shower cleaner brush for bathtub kitchen wall cleaning. Save time and effort. Upgraded electric spin scrubber cordless gets rid of the troubles caused by traditional cleaning tools. It can be used anywhere you want. This spin scrubber is super lightweight and very easy to pick up and use to clean surfaces without getting tired, and drastically reduce your work time from 1 hour to 30 minutes. Powerful and efficiency. The internal motor drives the rotating brush head to rotate at a high speed up to 450 RPM plus or minus 10%, can help you easily clean your entire house, especially when used with a cleaning agent. It can quickly clean stubborn stains and make entire house look new. Perfect for bathroom, bathtub, stone tile floor, grout, grooves, toilet and etc. 2 adjustable speed and IPX7 waterproof. You can easily clean your entire house in one fell swoop with this cleaning brush. It's set as 2 working speeds, low speed, 350 RPM/min, 2 high speed, 450 RPM/min. What you need to do is press the on/off button once. The entire machine is IPX7 waterproof. You can wash the electric scrubber directly into the faucet without worrying about product damage. For replaceable brush heads, TUYU Electric Spin Scrubber has equipped with 4 cleaning heads, a hard flat brush for large surfaces, a corner brush for curved areas, a small flat brush for detail work, and a pointed brush for gaps. All the brushes have long bristles that resist shedding and won't scratch surfaces, which can be suitable for bathroom, kitchen, table, bathtub, floor, windows, and car. Various scenarios to meet most of your requirements. Number 2. Electric Spin Scrubber. Cordless cleaning brush scrubber for home, 400 RPM/min, 8 replaceable brush heads, 90 minutes work time, 3 adjustable size, 2 speeds for bathroom, shower, bathtub, glass, car. Powerful and convenient. Say goodbye to traditional cleaning tools, let the new household cleaning tools change your life. We collected the needs of users from all over the internet, combined with the advice of top designers, to produce an ergonomic electric spin scrubber. The electric spin scrubber uses top-of-the-line chip technology. Battery capacity up to 5000 mAh. The battery takes 3 to 4 hours to fully charge and will work for up to 90 minutes on a full charge. 3 adjustable sizes and cordless. We've updated the brush with 3 adjustable designs and 3 lengths, 12 in, 43 inches, and 54 inches. You can adjust the length by easily rotating the handle and pulling it out. You can also remove and install the handle and extension rod. You can easily clean every corner of the house without having to bend over or kneel down. Caring for the waist and joints, friendly to the elderly and people with waist problems, save time and effort. Protection design. Electric spin scrubber adopts a tight protection design. It can be used in a humid environment or washed by dipping the brush head in water. You can easily clean shower bathrooms, bathtubs, stone tile floors, grout, and grooves. Cordless design allows you to get rid of rope restrictions, further improving cleaning speed and achieving efficient deep cleaning. Note: do not immerse the entire handle in water. Number 3. O-Cedar Easy Wring Microfiber Spin Mop. Bucket Floor Cleaning System, red, gray, standard. Hands-free wringing. Our exclusive mop bucket design features a built-in wringer that allows for hands-free wringing, while splash guard keeps water splash and spray inside the bucket when wringing or when transporting the bucket from room to room. Machine washable. The Easy Wring Microfiber mop head is machine washable and reusable. We recommend replacing the mop head refill every 3 months for optimal floor cleaning results. Deep cleaning microfiber. O-Cedar's Easy Wring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System uses millions of strands of advanced microfiber to effectively capture dirt and grime with just plain water, eliminating the need for harsh chemicals. Safe for all hard flooring, including finished hardwood, wood, laminate, tile, vinyl, and more. Reaches in corners. Due to the patented triangle mop head and ability to rotate 360 degrees, the Easy Wring mop can reach and clean deep into corners, under furniture, alongside baseboards, and between tile. 1 refill equals 3 months of cleaning. This offer includes 1 EasyWring refill, and each EasyWring microfiber refill lasts up to 3 months. Save time and money with longer-lasting mop head replacements. Handle extends fully to 48 inches. With a telescopic handle that extends up to 48 inches, anyone can mop comfortably without bending over. Number 4. Electric Spin Scrubber for Cleaning Bathroom. Cordless Power Shower Scrubber Electric Cleaning Brush for Tile Tub. Multi-surface efficiency. Experience a deep clean across various surfaces with our electric spin scrubber. Perfect for tiles, windows, bathtubs, toilets, and kitchen sinks. Effortlessly tackle dirt and grime where you need it most. Cordless and portable. Forget the hassle of cords. Our scrubber is battery operated and rechargeable, offering maximum maneuverability and convenience for cleaning hard-to-reach areas without being tethered. Advanced cleaning technology, equipped with motorized, spinning, and rotating brushes. Save time and energy on every cleaning task. Ergonomic design. Designed with comfort in mind, it features a long handheld grip that is easy on your back and arms, making it ideal for elderly users and those with mobility issues. Durable and robust, built to last, this heavy-duty scrubber is your go-to solution for demanding cleaning tasks. Perfect for both light daily cleanups and intense scrubbing sessions. Versatile use. From the tranquility of your bathroom to the heart of your kitchen, this scrubber works everywhere. It's also gentle on windows and robust enough for scrubbing doors. Perfect gift idea, an excellent gift for women, the elderly, or anyone who takes pride in a clean home. Makes cleaning easier and more enjoyable. Package included: electric spin scrubber, telescope handle, 7 replacement brushes, use guide. Number 5. BISSELL Steam Shot OmniReach Handheld Portable Steam Cleaner. For tile, grout, windows, bathrooms, kitchens, fabric steaming tool, includes 10 tools. Brand BISSELL. Special feature portable. Surface recommendation grout. Model name Steam Shot OmniReach. Included components grout brush. Every purchase saves pets. Every purchase makes it possible for BISSELL to continue our support of BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission of saving pets in need. New and improved model. BISSELL's premier handheld steam cleaning device is back and better than ever. Clean with the natural power of steam. 1000 watts of steam power. On-demand steam trigger. Control the amount of high-pressure, high-temperature steam. 10 cleaning tools included. Comes with 10 multi-surface cleaning tools: fabric steamer, window cleaner, extension hose, accessory nozzle, 3 color-coded round bristle brushes, grout cleaning tool, flat scraper tool, and angle concentrator tool. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.